Feel like there's never enough time in the day? Let's fix that starting today. Hey y'all, it's Shonda McRae, your favorite realtor's favorite realtor, and this is day 71 of my 100-day challenge. But I want to talk to you about a topic that everyone, this is especially my entrepreneurs, my parents, my busy professionals, can relate to. Time management. Y'all, in real estate, we wear all the hats from client care to marketing to negotiation, family life, self care. And somewhere in there, we're supposed to sleep. But I picked up a few go to strategies that keeps me on track. So I'll share them with you. Number one, time blocking is a must. If it's not on the calendar, it doesn't exist. I schedule my lead generation time, my client calls, my follow ups, even my rest time. You have to protect your priorities. Number two, designate focus days. For example, Mondays can be your follow ups, Wednesday are like showings and tours, Friday, content creation. This keeps your brain from constantly switching gears. Number three, use tech to your advantage. I live by my iPhone reminders, my Google Calendar, and my CRM. You don't have to remember everything. Just set up systems that do it for you. Now, here's the biggest secret: your time is power. When you control your calendar, you control your results. So that's all I have for y'all. I'm signing off for today. But if you found this helpful, click the link in my bio and let's chat how I can help you hit your real estate goals this year without burning out. So I'll see y'all for day 72 tomorrow. Smile and be a blessing. Your favorite realtor's favorite realtor, Shonda McRae.